Unit 2, Chapter 6 Friends Forever. Listen, sing, and act. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver, and the other gold. A circle is round. It has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever, we'll always be. Find and write the rhyming words. Old, gold. C, B. And friend. How many friends do you have? Tell 5 to 6 sentences about your friend.
I am Ratan. I have 6 friends. Abdul is my best friend. We play a lot. He sings very well. He has a kind heart. He can ride a bicycle.
Look and say, friends, silver, land, forever, gold, circle, round, across.